Okay guys, a couple of people wanted to know, how do you get this hard plastic, hard rubber filter off of your oil pump? What happens is these things, from the heat of the oil inside your engine, especially with mine's in 1985, from the oil getting hot, cool, hot, cool, hot, cool, it makes these very brittle. A lot of you, when you try to take them off, you don't think of heating them up with a heat gun or a hair dryer, preferably a heat gun. And since they're brittle, they break. They break very easy, like mine did. Now what I did is I just went all the way and I took the ends off, and then I heated this up with my trusty 30-year-old hair dryer or heat gun, and I squeezed it in a little bit to make it super tight. So now when this is mounted in, that's the outside, you don't have to take this off anymore to clean your screen out. You just simply pull it off. Probably have to use like a pair of pliers when you pull it off, but it will come off. See, that's how tight it is. Just pull the guy off. And you can get your screen, and all the debris will lay on top here. And then you clean your screen out. Mine did have some metal particles on it. It did. It did. And when you clean these, I clean mine with denatured alcohol. But because it's not going to come off, it's not going to come off inside the engine, because it's really, see, I can't even get it on without forcing it on, because it goes in like a nice little pocket in here, and it's not going to go anywhere. Here, let me show you guys. See, that's the little pocket. It's not going to go anywhere, guys. It can't come out. You're not going to lose your screen. And that's the ticket right there. That's what I suggest. Anyone that breaks these plastic screen holders, just break the ends off, heat them up a little bit, squeeze it in to make it a little on the tighter side, and you'll have a removable screen.